Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Well, we have got a weather warning now for a storm on the way, so I thought I'd do the opposite and do some bright summery nails just to try and bring those lovely colours back in. So in the meantime, you had all asked me to review the U or Sugar L007, one of the larger nail plates I got in the nail haul that I recently did, and this is the animal one. So I thought I would do just this leopard print over some sponge gradient neons. So I will swatch this in the meantime for you. I'll just let you have a quick look at all of the images that are on the plates. So we have some animal prints, and then the rest is really kind of animals, cats and dogs, and we've some chickens and a llama, and look at that little dancing fox and dogs and stuff. So as with other plates, it is covered with that blue film, so you do need to remove it. Now this plate doesn't have a hard plastic backing, it has more of just a sticker, so make sure that is down on a flat surface when you're removing that blue film, otherwise it may bend your plate. And then you are going to go in then with some pure acetone and just wipe the plate off just to make sure that there is no sticky residue. So I am quickly just going to what am I going to do? I've lost my train of thought. I'm just quickly going to do some stamping of it to see how it works, and then we will clean it off and stamp the nails. So the plate definitely seems to pick up perfectly. So I'm going to clean the plate off, and we will do the sponge gradient on the nails. I'm going to use some bright neon colours that I made myself, pink, purple and yellow. If you want to see how I make my own colours, I will link below a video I did on pastels. And to make the neons, you do the same. Instead of using white polish, you're just going to use clear. But yeah, so we are going to sponge gradient these. So I have some liquid latex on my hand. I'm just going to do one hand at a time, and we are going to sponge the gradient on them. I'm just going to seal that in with a top coat. I have this lovely hollow glitter top coat that I'm going to use this time instead of a just plain clear one. The glitter in it is very subtle, and it just gives a lovely shimmery effect. It's not major in your face hollow like some of them can be. So these are the final designs. I really like them. However, the colours are not as vibrant as I thought they were going to be. I think the polishes are just gone too old now. I did them about 2 years ago, so I must make some new ones again very, very soon because I love those neons. In regard to any of these hue or sugar plates that I have used so far, they're all brilliant. I actually really like them, especially for the price points. These ones are less than €1, I think, for the small ones anyhow. So if you like them, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which is that little circle there with my purple fingernails, or click the next video, which is the square. So until the next one, stay safe. Bye.